Welcome to the vibrant world of yellow flowers. Here we celebrate the radiant beauty and uplifting spirit of golden blooms that bring joy, positivity, and warmth to our lives. From the towering sunflowers that follow the sun to the delicate daffodils symbolizing new beginnings, yellow flowers light up any garden and heart. Join us as we explore their diverse forms, rich symbolism, and the inspiration they provide. Let the sun shine in and discover the magic of yellow flowers. Yellow flowers are admired for their vibrant color and various symbolic meanings. Here are some common types of yellow flowers along with their characteristics. Types of yellow flowers. 1. Sunflowers, Helianthus. Characteristics: large, bright yellow petals surrounding a dark brown center. They can grow very tall and turn to face the sun. Symbolism: happiness, positivity, loyalty, and admiration. 2. Daffodils, Narcissus. Characteristics: trumpet-shaped flowers with a central corona and 6 petal-like tepals. They bloom in early spring. Symbolism: rebirth, new beginnings, and prosperity. 3. Yellow roses. Characteristics: classic rose shape with multiple layers of petals. Available in various shades of yellow. Symbolism: friendship, joy, and caring. 4. Marigolds, Tagetes. Characteristics: round, full blooms with multiple layers of petals. They have a strong, distinct fragrance. Symbolism: passion, creativity, and positive energy. 5. Tulips, Tulipa. Characteristics: cup-shaped flowers with smooth, waxy petals. They bloom in early spring and come in various shades of yellow. Symbolism: cheerfulness, sunshine, and hope. 6. Yellow lilies, Lilium. Characteristics: large, trumpet-shaped blooms with a strong fragrance. They have prominent stamens and can have spotted patterns. Symbolism: gratitude, happiness, and abundance. 7. Forsythia. Characteristics: shrub with bright yellow, bell-shaped flowers that bloom in early spring before the leaves appear. Symbolism: anticipation and the arrival of spring. General characteristics of yellow flowers. Color psychology: yellow is associated with happiness, optimism, and energy. It is believed to stimulate the mind and promote creativity. Attractiveness to pollinators: many yellow flowers attract bees, butterflies, and other pollinators, playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. Cultural significance: in many cultures, yellow flowers are used in celebrations, religious ceremonies, and as symbols of various positive emotions and states of being. Growth conditions: the growth requirements for yellow flowers vary by species, but many thrive in full sunlight and well-drained soil. Some are more drought-tolerant, while others require regular watering. Yellow flowers are a cheerful addition to gardens and floral arrangements, bringing a touch of brightness and joy wherever they are present. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the vibrant and uplifting world of yellow flowers. We hope you've been inspired by their radiant beauty and the joy they bring. If you enjoyed this exploration, please like and subscribe to my channel for more captivating content about the wonders of nature. Stay tuned for more adventures and inspiration. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.